Hello everyone, hello. This is Catalina from Katalina'S Visions. On connaît demain qui date encore. Demain c'est 30, pas vrai?
Yeah, 30.
Et demain qui fête encore?
Memorial Day.
Memorial Day. Bien content, on fait me songer about Memorial Day. C'est neveu moi qui là. Hello, say hi Benji.
Hi.
You know, this is my nephew and they're excited and they need to know with Memorial Day how Haitians participated, how Haitians were part of everything about United States, gain their independence, be able to celebrate that beautiful historic time, Memorial Day, how Haitians participated, were part of the fights for American to win their independence. Haitians died for you, in case you didn't know, and Haitians are proud to be part of that. But Haitians haven't been treated well in the United States. A lot of Haitians, when you look at like when the people that didn't have anything, their life, you know, their lives are, you know, in danger because they're killing people due to the irresponsibilities of like people who are taking orders from France and United States governments, because United States governments always put their own people in the governments, which is not a good thing for Haiti. And the people, you should know about that and help Haitians like Haitians have helped you. I don't ask you to go die for Haitians, but your voice can mean a lot to Haitian people that are mistreated everywhere. Haitian, it's not only United States Haitians have fight for. There are a lot of other countries, and Haitians have even participated in like with funds to help other countries get back to their feet. This is Haitian people. This is how Haitians are. They're good people, always looking out for others, where they're left behind by everybody that they've been helped. So I'm happy, you people. We would appreciate your voice in asking the government, American governments. I'm not talking about the people because most people don't know about what is happening. Haitian was well placed. And ever since they've been occupied, things started going down. After Papa Doc, things got worse. And even before Papa Doc, the country was beautiful, still beautiful. The country business were working. We had people visiting, you know. We had a lot of people going to, even Haiti is bad, we still had people going to Haiti because there a lot of other nations buy from our lands, including the Clinton's family. And these people, they haven't been nice to Haitian people. So you know, they hurt Haitian people a lot. In the name of Haitian people, I'm asking you to do something for Haiti by asking the government The same way they're founding other country that haven't even been there for them billions and billions and billions of dollars. They owe Haiti. Not even all these billions that they're founding other countries. Haitians were supposed to be like meddling and under the how do you call that, you know, in the fields, you know, under the sun.
Cornfields? Cotton?
No, some people choose to work. They could always work, you know what I'm saying? This is their independency, because people wanna work to earn to live. But what, you know what I'm saying? And so many people were pushed, were beaten, because they were looking for safety in the United States, the country that Haitian people worked so hard and fighting, died for. They are the worst, treated Haitians the worst. And everyone in the world is watching how you, United States government, treat Haitian people. And when you act like you helping Haitian people, you never help Haitian people. Otherwise, the country wouldn't be in that condition. In the name of your independence and your memorial days, and all those 4th of July's, and all those, like, you know, important days that you're celebrating, think as well a little bit about Haitian people who died for you, and you've been mistreated bad, and you haven't been in their best interest, because only they are a black, beautiful nation. So happy Memorial Days to you all. I love you, and Haitian people loves you, and they would appreciate your voice and asking the American government and to back off, and everything that is bad in Haiti, let the Haitians people try their best. Don't be meddling and asking, putting your own people in the government, because Haitians are capable. Even though you're not too good to Haitians, we still love you. Haitians still love you. Haitians, Americans still love you. So, anyways, we're brothers and sisters. That's why we help you fight in the name of God. I love you all, and have a nice day.